What's up, guys? Today we will be opening some Pokemon cards, so yeah, let's get into it. So we have 3 Vivid Voltage, we have 4 Chill and Rain, and 1 Rebel Clash. So we'll save this for the last. Let's start with Chill and Rain. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we get anything good. Alright. Okay, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Alright. Okay. Energy. We have a trainer, a old cemetery. What? Ooh, that, look at the artwork. That's cool. 17 player in Yamask. Cast form. Wait. Got the same thing. Okay. Lebaron, Golett, Blair and Weezing, and a Turtles Hollow. Okay. Not bad, I guess. Alright. Put this here. Alright. Or we're on Chill and Rain. Yep. Alright, second pack. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Code card. There you go. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Energy. We got a Lairon. Got a Sneak. I don't know how to pronounce that. Got a Rugged Helmet, a Bizzle, Ghastly, Coughing, Delibird, Glaring Fetched, Ledaba, and a... Oh, okay. A Megagross V. Look at that artwork, though. Wow. Okay. That's a cool card. That is a very cool card indeed. Let's leave this. Look at that bad boy. Okay. I'll put this here. Trash here. Okay. Did I not show the first code card? Okay. If you want this, here's the second one. There you go. All right. If I can open this. Okay, sorry. There we go. Open it right here. There we go. Alright. Oh, dang. Okay. Green code card. There you go if you want it. I don't think we can get anything good. We could get amazing rares though, so hopefully we do. Alright. Energy. Leon, Old Cemetery, Impact Energy, nice. A Smoret, Weedle, Cast Form, Quillfish, Rowlet, a Swirlix, and a I don't know how to pronounce this. Asparagus. Yeah, non-rare. Alright, next pack. Last Chill and Rain pack. Let's see what we get. Alright. Perfect. There we go. Let's open it actually from the back so we don't see the code card. Alright. If you want the code card, there you go. Hold on. NK, Squirlet, Scorbunny, Deerling, Sneasel, Snoover, and a... What? Oh, I forgot to do the... Okay, well, this is the rare. I forgot to do the 4-card trick, but okay. Dang it. Energy, yeah, Kakuna. Okay. Alright, that's our last. Okay, pretty good for this. He's just in bulk. I'll just put this over here. Okay, now we're going on to Vivid Voltage. Sorry. Let's get the code cards over there. All right. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. All right. All right. This code. Let's put that over here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay. Energy, a telescopic sight, a Frosson, a Go-Get, or a Go-Goat, a Yama, a Whopper, Guillotine, or did I just say Guillotine? Or a D-Teen. A Pike, Turtle, a Fanny, and a... Oh, dang it. The one's caught. Okay. Alright. That's okay. That's okay. Still got, what, 4 more? Or 3 more. Alright, bulk goes over here. Alright, Vivid Voltage. Yeah. Come on. Open, please. Come on. I'm struggling to open these. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. Okay. Camera almost fell. Alright. Oh, we already saw it. Okay. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back. Alright. Energy. A Lordant, a Zunstucha. Don't know how to pronounce that. A Coded Energy. Didn't get to. Okay. A Voltorb, a Ruckraft, a Talo, Yama, Wooper, Bellum, and a Zarude V. Okay. We'll take that. Happily, we will take that. Okay, I'm having look, I mean, I'm having pretty good luck. It's not bad. Alright. Last Vivid Voltage pack. Let's see what we get. Okay. Alright. There's the code if you want it. Alright. Alright, let's put this in the bulk. Okay. Did we do the card trick? No. 3, 4 to the back. Alright. Energy. A Pinchurn, Lodret memory capsule, a Vampy, a Shuppet, Ponchonet, Voltorb, Roof. I have no idea what this is. Okay, sure. And a Whimsicott. I've got so many Whimsicotts. Okay. In our last pack, Rebel Clash. Let's see what it has for us. Alright. One last pack. Can we get a V or something? Hopefully. Let's see. Struggling to open these packs. Come on. There we go. Come on. Give us something good. If I only get 2 Vs in 8 packs, that'd be pretty bad luck. Here's the code. Alright. 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, we're not gonna get anything. Hamster, Carkle, Wingull, Natu, Babunch, Squirrel, Applin, Boozing, and I did that for the last card because I saw over here, I flipped it, and it was this code card, so I knew there's gonna be nothing. But, yeah, whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.